I'm going to show you how to turn off low power mode on your iPhone. Low power mode is a great way to extend your battery life when it's running low. But if you want to get back to normal performance, you'll need to turn it off. To turn off low power mode, you'll first need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find it on your home screen or in the app library. Once you're in the Settings app, tap on the Battery option. This will take you to the Battery Settings page. On the Battery Settings page, you'll see a toggle switch for low power mode. If the low power mode is on, the switch will be green. To turn it off, simply tap on the switch. That's it. You've now successfully turned off low power mode on your iPhone. You should now be able to enjoy normal performance again. Here are a few additional tips for turning off low power mode. If you're not sure whether low power mode is on, you can check the battery icon in the top right corner of your screen. If the battery icon is yellow, low power mode is on. You can also turn off low power mode by using Siri. Simply say, "Hey Siri, turn off low power mode." And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.